So earlier today, I figured out how to access Adobe's free um, materials for students. So like Photoshop, InDesign, their whole suite. Um, just go to the website, click on sign in. You'll have to create a user account um, with them, and it'll look like this. Click on create an account. I already created one. I use my Fullerton email address. I believe, I'm testing this out. I believe your students have to use the same. And instead of, if they don't know their address, typically it's their student ID at fullcall.edu. Um, and then once you type in, after you create an account and you sign in, this is the process to sign in. Hit continue and click right here, company or school account. And it'll direct you over to Fullerton College's. Well, it should have. It should have looked more like this. And you hit continue, school account, and it'll direct you to something like this. Type in your credentials, sign in, and it'll take you to this. This will pop up as well, and you just start downloading, and that's it. I was a kid in a candy store and I downloaded everything. So I get to play. Anyway, um, hope this helps.